Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and we have another product from Groove E today. This is the Elite Wireless Headphones with Active Noise Cancellation. And we've got Bluetooth connectivity, active noise cancellation, wireless playback of 10 hours, super bass, soft ear pads, folding design, and removable audio cable. On the side here, it just repeats that again. On the back, it will give us some more information. It will tell us that we've got a storage case, which is cool. We've micro USB charging, folding design, built-in mic, rechargeable battery, soft ear pads, 10 hours of playback, and ANC, which blocks out external noise, as we all know, and 40mm drivers. So let's check them out. And down we go, and of course we have our case included, which is excellent, and it feels really nice too. And you can see the Groovy logo here on one side only. So let's check them out. So we'll pop these to the side for a moment. So inside we get our usual cables, micro USB to USB, and our two double-ended 3.5mm headphone jacks to run out of use. And of course our instruction booklet, which none of us ever use. So put them to one side for now. And here we are, and these feel really nice and look really nice first thing. And it's got a matte kind of finish there, as you can see. And of course we have our leather padding underneath here, which will be excellent for long-term use. You can see our pads here, which are pretty soft and are deep as well, which is excellent. And if you just see what the extensions are like each side, pretty solid, not going to move, and that's what the joints look like there. And they seem pretty decent and pretty robust. On this side here we have absolutely nothing, and on this side here we have our Groovy logo here, and this acts as a power key and it lights up there, as you can see. So this will give us your status, and we have our buttons here for our calls, fast forward and skip tracks, which are slightly raised, as you can see, so easy to find and nice and clicky. And down on the bottom we have, again, we've got our 3.5mm socket there, charging port, and another status LED here, and they feel pretty nice indeed, and they're not heavy at all. Again, these fold up, so it's excellent for storage purposes, and we do get that storage case with it, which is always a plus. And they look really well indeed, and they feel really robust, and we look forward to checking these out. So if you've got any questions, hit me up at techbuzzurn.com or in the comment section below or on site, and we'll give you our reviews as we check them out over the coming weeks. And that's the Groovy Elite with ANC, and we will have a review very soon. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one.